Welcome back to Digital Web Services tutorial. In our previous class, we discussed about the introduction to website designing, what website is all about. We also discussed about the domain name and the web hosting plan and web hosting services. We are going to start from where we stopped in our previous class as well. So today, we want to install WordPress on our computer and do the necessary configuration without any internet connection. So let's begin. Before we can start developing our websites on our local machine, on our computer, without having without accessing internet connection, without web hosting and a domain name. So we need to download two softwares on our system. The first software is WAMP server, while the second software is WordPress standalone software. So we'll be making use of these two softwares to develop our website. So if you want to download WAMP server on our system, just type WAMP, the WAMP server. So here is the official website of the WAMP server. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, here is the official website of WAMP server. So this link is for the 62 bits, while this one is for the 32 bits. So I'm using 64 bits operating system on my system now. So I'm going to download the 64 bits. If I want to download, I will download the 64 bits, but I'm not going to download it this time around because I have it already on my system. I have it installed already on my system. Since I have it installed already on my system, so I will just click on this. If you want to download, just click on this 32 bit and you can download it directly. Just click on this. Once this countdown, as you can see this countdown, once it is done, so the software will automatically downloaded on your system. But me, I don't think I need it already. I don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore. So I'm not going to download this. So I'm going to stop this thing from downloading again. So another thing that we are going to look at is WordPress. So here is the WordPress official website, which is wordpress.org/download. So this is the WordPress official website. So we are going to download this WordPress on our system. Just click on this download. Once this WordPress is downloaded on your system, all you have to do is just to go to the downloaded folder, your download folder. Just go to your download folder and just extract the. So this is our download folder. This is the WordPress we just downloaded. Just click on extract file. Just extract this file. Once you are done with the extraction, so let's wait. Good. Now click on this folder, right click on this, then copy this WordPress folder. Then go to your local disk C, and then this is your WAMP folder. You will see this folder after the installation of your WAMP server on your system. Then click on www, then right click and paste your WordPress folder on this www folder. So after that, then right click on this WordPress and rename it to your project name. So let's say Gyptor. This is our project name. This is Gyptor. So this is it. So then after that, we are going to launch our WAMP server, which is here. So just click on yes, and then let's wait. Let's wait for the pop-up to finish. Oh, good. Then you click on the icon, you click on this one server icon here, then start all services. After that, go to your browser, open a new tab, just type localhost. As you can see, this is our project name. This is the project I've already created on this website, on this folder, on this thing. Now we are going to work on this GPOL of the thing, this GPOL. But before we do that, we have to create our database. We have to create our database. So if you want to do that, if you want to create our database, just click on PHP my admin. You can it is here and it is here. You can click any of these two. So just right click and open it in a new tab. So this is the Docker host. Now, I'm sorry, let me off my internet so that you can see that we are browsing without any internet connection. Now, so as you can see, when we are done with this, we are going to create our database. Then what is our database name? Let's say GPTOL. So GPTOL is our database name now. Just click on create. The database has been created. So as you can see, this is the GPTOL database. Now let's go back to our local host tab. Name, after just type localhost slash your project name, which is GPTOL. Press enter. So this is our WordPress configuration. So we are going to configure this WordPress now. So now let's go. So what is our database name, which is GPTOL, the one we just created here. The one we just created here. Just type GPTOL. What is our username? Our username is root by default. Then what is our password? So we don't have any password. Just clear this one and then click on submit. Then so after that, go to run the installation. Say then what is our website title? GPTOL. What is our username? Let's use admin as the username. Then password. So let's just clear this one and write pass. Then let's confirm the weak password since we are not connected to any internet connection. So nobody will access this website except me creating it on my system. Now let's begin the installation. Said the password is okay, the email. So let's just write gmail.com. So after that, gmail.com. Then let's confirm the weak password as well. Then install WordPress. Good. So this is it. Let's click on login. What is our username? Admin. And then what is our password? Which is pass. As you can see. Now let's log into our WordPress dashboard, admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard, as you can see. After installing the WordPress on our local host, even on our server itself, the first thing we have to do is just to upload our template. That is our theme. So if you want to do that, we go to the appearance, then themes. So this is our default theme, the theme that comes with WordPress. So we don't want this. We have to upload our own theme or install our own theme directly from their own website. If you want to do that, just go to upload file. So you will see thousands of templates. So for this tutorial, we are going to make use of news templates. So let's see if you can see any news templates. If there is any, ouch. So I think it is network error. Let's see if there is, if we can see any. Okay, this is one news hub. So let's make use of this one, news hub. Then click on install. After the installation, you will see something like activate. Then just click on it to activate it on your website. So as you can see now, it has already installed. Then let's activate. Good. So we are good to go now. So let's see how the website looks like. Just click on this, visit website, or go to localhost slash gptol, that is slash your project name, which is gptol. So this is this is what we just did. This is what we just did. So now another thing we are going to look at now is the this thing. As you can see this one now, you see we are going to change this just another WordPress website. So we are going to change this thing on our settings. Let's go back to our dashboard, admin dashboard. Let's click on settings. So this is where we are going to change this one. Let's just, and then we can just replace it with number one news portal in Nigeria. So then after that, come down and click on save changes. So that is that about that. I think we are good to go now. In the next class, we are going to talk about the plugins. What are plugins? What is the usefulness of plugins? What is the best plugins to use on the website, on our website, even on any project, on any website? So in the in the next class, we are going to talk about that. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates on this tutorial.